channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing a package that I got sent from BABALABAGS. This is my second unboxing. If you want to check out my first unboxing, click the link down below. I will have that link there for you. Also, be sure to check out the description box because I am going to have a discount code there. Yeah, it's available for all items. This company, they do offer bags, shoes, clothes, jewelry, belts, and wallets. So a lot of cool things. Be sure to check out the website. That will be linked below as well. So before we get into the video, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed and that your post notification bell is on. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So I was sent this package from BABALABAGS. Thank you, BABALABAGS, for sending this package. I truly appreciate it. It is a bag, and I did pick out the bag that I wanted to try out this time. Not going to tell you which one I got, or what it looks like. I'm not going to give any information away. I'm just going to go ahead and open it with you all. Everything is completely packaged. I didn't open anything. I've been wanting to open it since I got it, but I'm like, no, we're going to go ahead and do this together. So I don't have my scissors, so don't judge me. I found a hair clip, and I'm hoping that is, oh, it's working. I'm hoping that is efficient enough, to open this package. So I don't feel like running around trying to find scissors. So one thing that I liked about the other package is that everything was packaged pretty nicely. Like it came with a nice duster, and it just was really good quality. I've actually worn the bag multiple times, and I've gotten compliments on the bag, and it feels really good. It feels like a quality bag. So I'm excited to see how this one looks. If I can, I'm not, again, using scissors, so please bear with me. I might have to fast forward this part a little bit because I don't want you all to have to wait while I struggle to open the box. Okay, wait. I think we're almost done. All right, yay. All right, so here's what the box looks like. Oh my gosh, this looks exactly like, this is how my Neverfull came. The box looks almost identical. So this is what it looks like. Here are the sides. I like to show you every part of the packaging, just in case you are interested in checking them out. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the package here. Here's what it looks like inside. So you get this paper. Then it comes with a duster as well. And then it has like the card. This is what it looks like. It also comes with like ribbon. And this is what it looks like on the inside. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the package. So again, this is what the duster looks like. And the bag is wrapped very nicely, protected very well. See what I mean about how well the bags are packaged? They're packaged so well. Okay. And this is what the bag looks like. So I may get a shaper. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna do that with this bag, but if you can look at how good it looks. So it's not super shiny. Some of the bags that I've seen from other companies have been really, really like shiny and they look like plasticky. You don't get that vibe, that feel. It doesn't feel like plastic. It doesn't look like plastic. It looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and take the wrapper off the straps. Here's the strap up close. That's the other strap. I may need scissors after all, so I don't want to. Okay, it's coming off. And I'm sorry if you're not able to see the full bag right now. I'm just taking this stuff off. So as soon as it's off, I'm going to show you all like what it looks like. I just want to take everything off with you all so you can see like how it looks. You can see the full process with me. It's wrapped so well that okay, I'm probably gonna need to get some scissors. One moment, let me take this stuff off. I'll be right back with you. All right, so this is what it looks like up close. Really good quality. Like I said before, it doesn't feel plasticky or anything. When you open it up, it has this inside of it. I'm gonna take this out. It also has this inside. I didn't know I was gonna get that. And then it has this too, I'm assuming for this. So let's go ahead and unbox this and we'll get back to the bag in just a second. So this is like the wallet part. This is what it looks like up close. And it has plastic on the accents. Here's what it looks like inside. And it has this inside. So inside of the pouch, it has a small pouch right here, and then it has the main area. It also has this inside. All right, and then it comes with this. This is what this looks like. So you can go ahead and stick this through and like wear it, you know, like this if you like. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear it like that or not. I'll probably just put it in my bag for now. And then here's the inside. So this part is still wrapped up. I'm gonna take that off. This part is wrapped too. So this is what it looks like, completely empty on the inside. And it has this pouch right here. I'm also going to show you all like what it looks like inside of the bag from a different angle. So let's get inside the bag. All right, so now we're inside of the bag. Look how much room is in there. Super spacious. All right, so that was it. That is the end of my unboxing. This bag looks super, super cute. Look at it. It looks so good. The quality is there. This is the second bag that I've gotten from this company, and both bags, the quality was there. So this is what the bag looks like. Again, this is a close view of it. Here's a up close view of the print. Really, really good. I'm shocked. Every time I've gotten, this is my second time, and I was shocked the first time when I opened up the bag that I received. Again, that information is going to be down below. and I'm just as blown back and shocked at the quality. Like, look at this. Looks so good. I wish I could go. I might, if you want to see like a comparison of like, because I do have this print in like a smaller one of these, like a pochette, I believe that's what you call it. And then I also have a Speedy, so I can, with the same print, I'm telling you, when I say the quality, I tell you that it feels good. It feels good. It feels like great quality, and it does not give you that plasticky, you know, just cheap look. It doesn't look like that at all. This is good quality. So thank you again, BABALABAGS, for sending out this package. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments what you all think about these items. I think that they're cute. Be sure to check out the discount code down below, and I will talk to you on the next video. Bye.